Integrity Commission run out, people. I don't know if you guys follow the Integrity Commission on Twitter, but I would suggest that you guys follow them. They had 2 media releases, which we are about to go over because it has to do with what some of the statements that Delroy Chuck made. I guess this is on par as a solution to fix any misconceptions that might be out there where parliamentarians are concerned, and also to educate the public. This should be a very good meeting to educate us, the public, to understand what exactly does the Integrity Commission, what powers do they really have, what is required of the people that we employ as parliamentarians, MPs, and other sections of the government, right? Before I do that, though, ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to follow me on all platforms. Yes, yes. Always follow me on all my platforms. Bolo V&R, Bolo V&R 2.0, and Bolo V&R Clips. Especially Bolo V&R Clips, guys. Bolo V&R Clips, I need to get to 1,000 subs like today. Alright? Nightbot is constantly dropping the links in the chat. Go ahead and check him out. Now, the Cash App is available for those that want to donate. The PayPal link is available as well. And the Zelle information is right there pinned at the top of the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. And also, Nightbot is dropping it periodically, and you can look in the description for those information as well. If you send me something on the Zelle, please reach out to me on either Instagram. My Instagram is right there, Win with Bolo. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. My number is 1-876-451-6535. Alright, so let's get to the first thing that they put out. It says here, this attachment statement was issued by the Integrity Commission to the media a short while ago. Alright, so let's read. This is January 15th, which is 2 days ago, right? 2025. It says here, statement of the Integrity Commission. Wait a minute. I think, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Statement. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can see. Statement of the Integrity Commission on the application for leave to apply for judicial review by Norman Brown v. the Integrity Commission and Kevin Stevenson, the Commission's Director of Investigation. Yesterday, Tuesday, January 14th, the Supreme Court handed down its judgment on Norman Brown application for leave to apply for judicial review against decisions in the investigation report into the statutory declaration submitted by the most honorable, well, I don't know about most honorable, Mr. Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, for the year 2019 to 2022, dated August 30th, 2024. Right? The investigator report. Mr. Brown had applied for permission to bring a judicial review claim against the Commission and the Director of Investigation in relations to aspects of the investigation report in which conflict of interest concerns were expressed in respects of his personal or business relationship with the Honorable Prime Minister. The recommendation made for referral to the Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ and the Finance Investigation Division FID. His application also sought to get permission to bring a judicial review claim for various declarations and mandatory injunctions to comply the Commission to amend the investigation report to remove all diverse findings made in relations to him. Oh, so he wants to be out of it. Okay. The Commission succeeded in challenging the grant of leave to apply for judicial review against the Commission on grounds that the investigation report was completed by the Director of Investigation as a matter of law. So basically, him get what the duck get. The director is the relevant decision maker against whom a claim for judicial review could be made. The court therefore refused to grant Mr. Brown's permission to make any of his intended claims for judicial review against the commission. Look at him too. What a bangarang. What him name, Mr. Brown? Oh, that one there. Alright, I'm going to put him on the thumbnail. Anyway, it says here, the commission has indicated at the start of the proceeding that while it does not consider that the claim for judicial review is respect of the referrals to the Commission's General Tax Administration Jamaica and the FID, the Financial Investigation Division, while likely succeed, it would not oppose the grant of leave to Mr. Brown to challenge them. Wait a minute. So the Integrity Commission is telling Mr. Brown, yeah man, go ahead and challenge us, man. Yo, these dudes are not playing around. Do you see this is a setup? How many of y'all see that this is a setup?
Emotional damage.
My good people, can we say, hey, what is a setup in our chat? Everybody type setup. This is a setup. Boy, when you hear lawmaker say, yeah man, go ahead, challenge us.
That is funny.
People, this is a setup.
Funny.
The Integrity Commission is very coy. These brothers are very coy. Cheeky. Very cheeky indeed. People, what me say for you? I said type setup if you realize that this is indeed a setup. Let me read it again. The Commission has indicated at the start of the proceeding that while it does not consider that the claim for judicial review in respect to the referrals to the Commission General Tax Administration Jamaica and the Financial Investigation Division will likely succeed. That means, listen, Brethren, you're not going to win. Right? But you are. Although you're not likely to succeed, it would not oppose the grant of leave to Mr. Brown to challenge them, given the low threshold that was to be satisfied for a leave to be granted. The judge therefore granted Mr. Brown leave to apply for the judicial review only against the Director of Investigation in relation to that claim. Right? It says, one second, my good people. I was wondering what was going on with my phone, man. You know, these phones nowadays, man, I tell you about them, man. All types of problems here and there. Anyway, it says right here that, however, the judge agreed with the commission's attorneys and refused Mr. Brown leave to apply for the judicial review to challenge that part of the investigation report, which observed that there was conflict of interest concerns in respect of Mr. Brown's personal or business relationship with the Prime Minister. So even the judges, you know, say the judge they're not good. The judge they're not good. The judge they say, listen, we're not going to allow you to waste our time. You will be wasting our time. The fact that you guys are going to go down this road, you will be wasting. Robin, where's the setup now? Big setup. Who did the investigation? Alright, so you know Andrew Holness, I think he's his business partner, our friend. Well, that's Mr. Brown, right? That's his last name, right? So remember that they challenged the Integrity Commission in court. This is a statement telling you what actually happened in that proceeding with Mr. Brown. That's what we're reading right now. Alright? For full context. And I'm just reading this fresh, so as you learn or understand it as I read, I'm learning as well. So we're learning together, guys. Guys, smash the like button. Let's get to 100 likes, please. Thank you kindly. Hit that like button. Alright? It says here that the judge also agreed with the commission that Mr. Brown's application for permission to apply for judicial review in respect to 6 declarations and the monetary injunction he was seeking was misconceived in that those reliefs do not require leave from the court and should not have been included. So basically, Mr. Brown don't know what he's doing, or he knows what he's doing, but he's trying to be cheeky. His attorney should have let him know that. Mr. Brown's attorney applied for permission to apply against the judgment in respect of the judge's various orders against him. The judge dismissed their application. The commission did not seek leave to apply the judge's order, as they are entirely consistent with its position and the submission of its attorney. The commission therefore awaits the substantive claim from Mr. Brown and will respond accordingly. So that is the first one, and that applies to Mr. Brown and Jonas' business partner. Now this one, it says here, this was January this was January 15th. No, that's the one I just read. Yeah, that's the one I just read, right? I believe so. Is this 4 documents? Wait a minute. Is 4 documents this? Oh yeah, this is 4 documents. Wow, it's so much of them. Wait a minute. Alright, let me see what's going on here. This is also the 15th. The Integrity Commission responds to the misguided statement made on social media by parliamentarian regarding statutory declaration requirements. Lord have mercy. People may never see this now. So, Delroy Chuck, come to the class, my general. Yeah, man. I believe this is Delroy Chuck. This has to be Delroy Chuck. It has to be. Let's read. The Integrity Commission responds to misguided statement made on social media by the government parliamentarian regarding, you know what, let me see how much time I actually have on the clock already. 11 minutes. You know what? That's the first one, ladies and gentlemen, of the media releases. Let me know what you think about Norman Brown on that one. Yes, yes.